Hey guys, I've been asked by my company to add a new field in COHV. This is a standard transaction in SAP. So the field that they want me to add in this report is, let's go there. It's in VBAP table, and this is the field VKA US. It's the usage indicator. How you tie this to COHV is you need to get the production order number from COHV, and so that will be the AUFNR. So go to AFPO table and get the KDAUF, which is the sales order number, and KDPOS, which is the order item number. So that's how you link the tables to get the VKAUS from this VBAP table. So if you go to AFPO, this is what I'm talking about. So that's your production order number, Offner. And KET oof, is the sales order number. And you match this to the VBAP table. So how did I do this? I need to run this first in SAP and use the transaction SD05. So when I went to SD05, I got some hits. So in here, let's just display it. I was looking for how the program utilizes VBAP table. And so if we check the trace in SD05, I found this ZCL quiz CR058. So if you set up a breakpoint in this program in here, okay, let's try to do that. Okay, let's try to run this. This is COHV. These are my parameters. It will go here. This is the program that I've set up a breakpoint a while ago. So it will go here, right? So upon checking the stack list, I found BADI, this one here. BADI tables modify layout. So if I go there, I would see table modify lay. And go inside there, I found this guy here, CL EX work order info system. So, and this is the method that was used, table modify lay. So now let's go to SE80 and so this is where I put up at the place the breakpoint. So let's go to SE80 and select interface or class, delete that, and paste your CLEX work order info system, and this is what you will see. Double click that. That's your interface there, and you would see the tables modify lay. Tables modify lay. So F if you do a various list of this interface over here and find business add-ins, you would see that there were bodies that were using this. If you scroll down at the bottom, so here are your body implementations. Okay, now which one should I be using? Okay, And after debugging all of these, I found out that ZPP order details is the correct one that I should be enhancing. So interface, table modify lay, double click that, and this is where I added my enhancements over here. So I've used the inline declaration. I see that data over there. And I also use this new kind of read table. See there, we don't use read table binary search anymore. And also I've used a different technique. This is like a read table, but I'm passing the VKAUS into this FSIO header work area. This one here, VKAUS. Another step I did here is the CTIO header. I only found out in debug mode that this is the right table that I'll be using because it has all the entries that I'm looking for. So find the type, which is the IO header. And from here, I found an append structure. Alright, that's the component that I've added. And the append structure that I used is this guy here, Z IO header CR58. So I just added that there and filled in this component in this program in here. All right. So now when I run it, the VKAUS is now present in the layout. And also I was able to put some values in it using the AFPO and VBAP table. So if you run it, all right. Before running it, let's just go over here. Just do F8, remove the breakpoint. Okay, see here? This is where I applied the enhancement. Now if we go to the layout, oh, my functional already added in here. So it should be somewhere here. Oh, it's still here. Usage. So let's put it right here and put it on top and hit check. Alright, that's our new column in COHV, which is a standard transaction in SAP. So key points here, use SD05, use your stack list and find the keyword BADI and look for the attribute. That's where you are going to find the interface. And the interface, you open that in SE80 and do a various list where this interface was used. Don't forget to check the body checkbox in the various list, so that's going to show you all the bodies that are using this interface and specific method. And that's all in this video. Hopefully you learned something from me today. Goodbye.